you're going to need a nail polish of your choice, a top coat and a base coat, cotton balls, nail polish remover, small angled brush and a nail file, warm cuticle oil, some rhinestones of your choice, and also a wax nail design tool. So the first thing we're going to do is just apply the warm cuticle oil all over your nails, and I'm just going to take a damp towel and just wipe this off of my nails. So this is going to make sure that my cuticles are well moisturized and not dry before I start my pedicure. So once that is done, I'm going to take a cotton ball and apply some nail polish remover and just remove all of my old nail polish. And I'm doing this after I apply the cuticle oil, just to make sure that I don't have any oils left on when I'm applying my nail polish. So once my nails are ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and apply my base coat to all of my nails. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my nail polish remover and apply it into my cap. And I'm going to be using a small angled brush. And the reason I like this brush is because it helps me to clean my cuticles and get my nails clean precisely. And so I'm going to take my nail polish and just apply it to my nails. And anytime I mess up, I could just easily take the small angled brush and just clean up any mistakes that I may have. So this cleaning method is really good, especially if you're a beginner, just because it helps to make sure that your nails look professional, and the tools that I'm using are really cheap to get. I just got this brush, I think from Target. It was like $1. I'll make sure I put the link down below so you guys can know exactly where I got all the tools that I'm using. So I'm going to go back and apply a second coat to my nails just to make sure my nails are streak free and look very professional. And then I'm going to continue cleaning it up as I go. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and take my top coat and apply it to my nails. And this top coat is just going to make sure that my nails have shine to it. So with my Crystal AB and my wax design tool, that's how I'll be designing my nails. I take my top coat and just apply it to my nails in a straight line, because that's exactly where I'll be putting my crystals. So I use the wax part of the tool to pick up the crystals and just apply it to my nails. Since this is my first time crystallizing my nails, I'm just trying to use a very simple design. So the first one I'm using is like the biggest crystal that was in there, and then the second biggest one, and then on top is going to be the smallest one that I have. The top coat can dry quickly, so while you're designing your nails, just make sure that the crystal is exactly where you want it to be so you don't risk messing up your whole nails. I also decided to design my other nails, so I'm going to apply my top coat again and just use the smallest crystal and apply it right in the middle at the bottom of my nail. This red tool that I'm using is completely optional. I use it because my nail polish tends to rub off on the next toe, so I use this to prevent that from happening. So this will be a really good tool if you have feet like mine, which are really squished together. So I'm going to be doing the same thing on the other foot and just applying the crystals as neat as possible and just making sure that they are in a straight line. So this is the final look of my nails. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you guys want to see any other tutorials, just let me know as well.